Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a Blockbench model as a PNG. This is useful for previews, thumbnails, or sharing your model visually. First, position your model in the viewport the way you want it displayed. Adjust the lighting and background if needed. Once you're done setting up the model, right-click on the background in the viewport. Select Screenshot Model. This will allow you to save your model as a PNG. Click Save, choose a location, and the image will be exported. Keep in mind this exports a rendered image of the model, not the editable project file, as you can see here. And that's how to save a Blockbench model as a PNG. Thank you so much for watching.